I'm telling you a story about a pirate who became a legend, about a hidden cursed treasure, and about a bunch of kids ready to risk their own lives to have one more chance, because they were the ones writing the story.
Today it will be some solo sailing again. It was a long time since I sailed, but today 2nd of November. Pretty great weather, perfect moderate wind, light wind, sunny, a bit cold, not freezing, but yeah, you will see what's happened. We're combining two of the trends in the sailing world at the same time. Downsizing and solo sailing. And what could be more downsizing than this super small boat? It was a while since I sailed. Now it's 2nd of November and pretty good weather. Not freezing, not too bad at all, a bit sunny. The boat is equipped with a lots of high-tech stuff that you really need when you're solo sailing. I will also test fly with my drone and see, is it possible to land with my drone on this small boat? I have never seen it before. Maybe it's possible. We will see, we'll find out. And the plan is to go around this island as well. So some goals. I also have my pumpkin Windex working pretty good. It has lights in as well. And then Garmin navigation. Just now I'm only showing the speed. Okay, I have to tack here. Going upwind, important to not go too high and kill the speed. I see I need to adjust the downhole a bit, or uphole. 2nd of November. Oh, what was that? It will soon be dark. So it could be some solo sailing in the dark that I don't like too much. But you need to practice. Perfect angle to the harbor to send up the drone. What a perfect evening to do some Halloween sailing. Not so easy to sail and fly at the same time. Ah, 3 knots. Ah, it's very tricky. The drone doesn't have a follow mode. It's Mini 2, so I cannot lock on the boat and sail around. I can do that with the other drone. Should we try to land? Let's try to land. I release my sheet a bit, a lot. Ah! It wanted to attack. Let's do it again. Ah! We managed to land on the Optimist dinghy. But that was not so easy. Okay, let's head back and switch to my other drone with that can lock on the boat. Let's see what we can do. Now we can track. Are we tracking the boat? Oops. Are we tracking? Let's sail. Oh. It's perfect to track solo sailors. Now we're talking. Now I can finally sail as well. I think I have all safety equipment needed. A great bucket, and if it will be inspection, I think I have a flashlight. Also some food for tonight. Keeping my beer cold here, not for kids. Let's open. It's Saturday night, so cheers everyone. Really nice. Okay, now the tracking makes sense. Doing 2 knots with this. Every solo boat is a bit slower than a full crew, and so is this one. Very simple deck layout, everything accessible from cockpit, no traveler needed. Let's make a jibe and you will see. Oh, so fast. I added some foam here so it's not that cold to sit a bit far away from the harbor. Maybe I need to land the drone in the boat this time as well. If the wind dies, maybe I can fly it home. A bit too fast, my friend. Okay, we have maxed out 3.1 knots. Not too many other boats out there today. Other thing characteristic for solo boats, no backstay on this boat. That's perfect. Very big square top, I think. The whole sail is like a square. Very stable mast. Not too many unnecessary trim stuff on this boat. Have the kitty sheet and tension for the square top. I have always wondered what this is in front here. Is it the ground or is it something else? So my small navigation, my small Garmin Oregon 600 also have navigation, but it's not needed now, I think. Is it shallow water here? Doesn't look too good to me. Maybe we should turn around, not hit the ground. Where did the drone go? I think I have done more sailing today than most YouTube sailing channel doing. So many just use the engine. If it's less than 5 knots, they use the engine. There we go, now it's boat. Now it can track us. Go into the sunset. Perfect. I actually don't want to land this drone on the boat. It's a bit more expensive, and don't want to fail with that. Sailing solo and get chased by a drone. What a perfect solo boat. Some people say this thing is for kids. I think it's a bit too cold for the kids, and usually they don't want to sail when it's November. Not always in the summer either, but especially not in November. Oh, let's shift. Oh. That works. I added some racing stripes on the side here. You can feel the speed increase right away. Maybe it gives half of a knot or so. I'm too heavy for the optimist thingy. They are wrong, so wrong. I'm not too heavy. It's a perfect weight for this boat. Tacking back. Maybe I need to take this. Whoops. The drone went mental and tried to go from the side, so I have to stop it. Where did my glasses go? Maybe I forgot them inside. It's getting dark. That was the whole point with the trip. Sail in the dark. The drone didn't like it too much. Okay, or not. Not too bad. We're pushing this little boat. Now we're talking. Give me some more wind. Ja, mina barn ville inte följa med och segla idag så jag fick segla själv. Just some solo sailing in the night. Happy Halloween, everyone! November is the best month for sailing from now on. Cheers, everyone! Let's go! The pumpkin really struggles now. I heard a rumor that they will add a micro class to the silver rudder. Maybe you can compete with boats down to 9 feet next year. I think it will be the same for boost races. Super small boats. Maybe they will make a light version so you don't need to travel that far. A micro class would be perfect for silver rudder. Super small boat competing in the middle of the ocean in the dark. Maybe they should move it to Halloween as well, or move it to Christmas time when you have some days off anyway. Oh my god.